You think Las Vegas, you think classic, amazing neon, and then you get here and you say, where is it? Because you came to the Las Vegas Strip and only a few hotels, Circus Circus and Flamingo, pretty much, they're the only ones that still have neon. So where is it? It's in downtown Las Vegas, right here on Fremont Street. And on today's episode of Photowalks TV, we're going to explore some of the still amazing neon that is here in Las Vegas, so stay tuned. The heyday of Las Vegas neon harkens back to the 1940s and 50s and the birth of the new mega casinos with bigger and brighter signs to attract the customers. But now on the Strip, all that pretty much remains of the glory days are the Flamingo and Circus Circus masterpieces, while newer resorts like the Cosmopolitan, Link, and rebranded Horseshoe opt for the cheaper, more versatile LED signs. From here, they can constantly change the messaging. However, neon is still alive and well in Las Vegas, and then some in the old nostalgic downtown Las Vegas area, where you can still see classic signs like the Four Queens and California Casino, and newer replicas which harken back to older times. The signs aren't really advertising anything, there are no buildings attached to them, but they do invoke the mood of the area. If you missed the old Stardust and Riviera signs from the Strip, you can still see them at the Neon Museum, where they are lit up and available for viewing in the Boneyard. More on the Neon Museum in a minute. The photo platform SmugMug helped me put this episode together. SmugMug is where I run my website, and I use it as a virtual hard drive. So after my shoot, I backed up everything to the iOS app, then did a simple search for neon in Las Vegas to pull the appropriate stills and videos. What a time saver! Check out SmugMug's free 2-week trial at smugmug.com. The downtown Vegas photo walk should start at the bottom of Fremont Street at the Plaza Hotel, cut over to Ogden to see the old California Hotel and the new Circa, fantastic neon, and then head back over to Fremont to what is called the Fremont Experience, a free outdoor plaza complete with the old, still active neon, as well as light shows, zip lines, and masses of people having a ball. Now, if you have the energy, continue on Fremont up to 9th Street and the great old Atomic Liquor sign advertising what was the first bar in Vegas circa 1952. And from here, let's head over a few blocks to the Neon Museum. All in all, this is about a 2-mile walk. The museum is best seen at nighttime to catch the signs lit up. Photography alert! The museum has a no camera rule and no selfie stick or tripod rule, but cell phone cameras are allowed. You are looking at footage shot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I found it painful to watch people take selfies in front of the signs at the museum because they ended up like silhouettes because they were backlit. If you'd like to get great portraits around neon, use it to your advantage and have the colors light you by facing the neon. See what a difference that makes? Other photo tips: timing really is everything with neon. Plan your most important neon shot for just after sunset and you'll have a slightly darker sky with the neon jumping out from it. 30 minutes later, the sky will be pitch black and you will miss the added color. If you don't believe me, look at this before and after of Atomic Liquor. Now, you all have video on your phone, so why not use it? Neon is constantly changing and video can show that off so well. I also tried a few slow motion shots with the flickering lights, and that was a fun, different way of looking at it. Now, finally, let's head back to the Strip again and appreciate the artistry of this amazing Circus Circus sign and glittering entryway. Love the fabulous Flamingo too. Oh, aren't these neon signs amazing? I hope you enjoyed them as much as I did. Remember, Fremont Street, downtown Las Vegas, that's the place. I'm Jefferson Graham. Stay tuned for more episodes of Photowalks TV. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun in Las Vegas. See you on the next Photo Walk, everyone.